Have you ever wondered how objects change states? Can something get so cold that it can't get any colder? And can some substances go straight from a solid to a gas? Changing states of matter might look easy, but once you get into more complicated things, it can get pretty hard. Let's start off with some of the basics. When you heat an object up, the energy goes into breaking the forces of attraction between the particles. When an object is changing state, the temperature of the object doesn't change. This is because all the energy goes into breaking the forces of attraction between the particles. This is what a graph looks like for water. At the bottom, it's a solid, and as it's changing between states, you can see the temperature doesn't change. When there's a solid, the particles vibrate and don't have enough energy to break away. The change from a solid to liquid is known as melting. The change from a liquid to solid is known as freezing. In a liquid, the particles vibrate more freely, and they can slide on top of each other. Liquids can also take the shape of a container, because the particles in a liquid can move more freely. There are two ways a liquid can turn into a gas: evaporation and boiling. Boiling happens when a fluid reaches a certain temperature. For example, for water it's 100 degrees Celsius. Whereas evaporation is a surface effect and can happen at any temperature. In a gas, particles can move around freely. They have absolutely no link in between them. The change from a gas to liquid is known as condensing. The change from one state to another state can occur if you add or subtract heat. Some substances can change from a solid to gas. This is known as sublimation. Those substances can also change from a gas to solid, which is known as deposition. There is a thing called absolute zero. At this temperature, the object can't get any colder. Absolute zero is minus 273 degrees Celsius. Thanks for watching. If you learned something from this video, then like it and subscribe for new videos. I will see you all in the next video.